Okay, lads, there we go. Let's start the project from today. Today we're gonna start by covering all these holes because of the construction team. They left it open, as you can see here, and across the room as well. We're gonna close these gaps with the concrete. With actually this one is called BCA, bituminated autoclavizated concrete, or BCA. We're gonna cut this one to sizes and we're gonna mount them inside a thing, and after that we're gonna use some polyurethane bastard foam, like this one, polyurethane foam. We're gonna use it to close the gaps and basically to make it hold on the position for a while till we're gonna plaster it and isolate it and all the stuff. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, now we're gonna measure the gap there. We're gonna climb the ladder, which is not quite properly mounted. We're gonna measure the thing 60 by 19 centimeters. And we're gonna take our block, our prefabricated block, this white thingy, as you can see it. It's not that heavy, and we're gonna put it in this room. We're gonna mark it to size. This is 60, this one is 62, so 9 by 18.5 centimeters is that. And we're gonna mark it, and now we're gonna pause it. Pause it. We're gonna put our safety gloves as well. We're gonna prepare the block, put it here, and we're gonna take our special saw and we're gonna start cutting. Și când îți dau așa, înseamnă dai play, da?
Play.
Nearly there, folks, nearly there. It's gonna take a while. Nearly there, folks. Jesus! That was it, folks. We managed to cut it to size. Now let's see if it's gonna fit in. Fucking hell! Stop, huh? Oh. No, please, no. Come on, buddy. What the fuck? Where's the... That was it, folks. We managed to put one. We're gonna move all the stuff along and I'm gonna show you the finished process. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, lads. Now, after we managed to put all the stuff, isolating all the holes, we're gonna cut the foam. It's not gonna be pretty, doesn't have to be pretty. Just cut it to size, because if the foam is gonna harden you're gonna let it harden too much, it's gonna be very hard to take it off. So just cut it to be flush with the front of whatever you have, and this is gonna be the thing. There you go. We're gonna remove the foam, and the rest is for another episode. Thanks all for watching, and let me know, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one.